Hi everyone, it's Colibri Trader here, and as a lot of you have asked me questions on my new trading room, I just wanted to create a video for two reasons. First, to give you some shed on my to shed some light on my trading strategy that I'm utilizing in this trading room, and also to share details on how you can actually join me in this trading room, since a lot of the traders that I wanted to do so said that it's a bit confusing, and I must agree that there are a few steps you need to follow in order to do so, to join me in the Discord trading room. As you can see here, I'm trying to keep it simple inside. The first step though, before joining me in Discord, is to go through Patreon, which is a very friendly portal for people from all sorts of fields that want to share ideas or help others improve in one way or another. So here, if you just go to patreon.com underscore slash Colibri underscore trader, or you just go to Patreon and go find a creator and put down Colibri trader. That will be the first one that comes up, and you can join me through here. So once you join me through Patreon, you will be redirected to this website, which is Discord. You can either use it through your browser or download the app, and you can join us here. You have the public analysis, which is free for all section, where I'm actually posting all of my trades and doing post-trading analysis. But if you want to be involved in the trading room, where I'm actually posting the trades as I take them, then you need to become a member through Patreon first. And enough said for that. I just wanted to also talk about just spend a bit of time on talking about why I have created this trading room, and the ultimate goal is to get to 250 members, and then I will probably close the room for new members, since it's actually quite time consuming, and I just don't want to hurt my trading results by having too many members to answer questions and help with their trading. And my goal is pretty much to help new traders and experienced traders see how actually I'm trading, and sharing my trades in my live sessions as I'm trading them. So the point is to help others see how I trade, and if they can become profitable, to give back to society. I strongly believe in giving back, and this has always been with me since I have been a consistent trader. So I believe that once you reach this level at which you're consistently profitable, you should give back to society or to people in need. And we have quite often as well. I'm sharing some fundraisers in the trading room. This is something that I've just shared recently, and I believe that if we all make money in this trading room, and I in a way help you to become profitable, then it's only fair that we can share this with the rest of the world, or the people in need, so to speak. Let me walk you through my trading strategy, or the trading strategy that I'm using in this trading room, so to speak, and then take you from here. So, first of all, what I believe in, there are a couple of things that I've already mentioned: helping others and sharing the importance of helping more people with others. This is one of the major things that has always been driven me in life and in trading as well. And the other thing in trading specifically is being consistently successful in trading and increasing your P&L. This is the most crucial thing in trading, which a lot of trading gurus out there, they're not sharing with their followers, and they try to sell them some strategies that may or may not work in the long term without being really consistent. So what is my approach to trading? I strongly believe that trading is not a black and white field. What matters in trading is your P&L, and there are a couple of things that are important. First, how you're going to reach there, or what strategies or methodologies you're going to be using, and second, how to protect you once you're there. And in my opinion, this is even more important than the first step, since excuse me, a lot of traders might be profitable for some time, but then they start losing money. And what prevents them for being consistently profitable is that they actually don't know how to protect their wealth once they have accumulated it. Um, Another important factor of trading is that trading should not be perceived as a guess game. It's not a way to predict where the market will go. You need to pretty much focus on your plan and manage your distractions well. This is a crucial point in successful trading. So there are a couple of things that I strongly believe in. So first one, as you can see in this screenshot, is being right or wrong doesn't really matter. For me, being right or wrong is equally has pretty much equal portions of wisdom. So in other words, what matters is to get into a trade early enough and to manage your risk initially well. And by being in a trade from a very early stage can allow you to reach risk reward ratios of over 1 to 30. And I have done this in my trading career. I have also shared one of the recent trades in the trading room that I have shared with my Discord members. Reached almost 1 to 25 risk to reward ratio. I'll talk about it in a minute. The second very important thing is the longevity of the run. So again, it has to do with the risk reward ratios. You need to have a strategy or methodology in trading that should allow you to be in a trade for as long as possible. And I'm not just saying those words simply. I will give you examples, and my trading strategies do involve strict rules, which if you follow, you will be successful and will be also able to achieve such risk to reward ratios. The trading example that I was sharing with you earlier on was there was a gold trade that I took in the trading room. It was a long trade which I took at 1858. My stop loss was at 1854, and the price skyrocketed to 1920. So this has been one of the prime examples of a good risk to reward ratio trades. And you will see later on that there are a few different outcomes I'm expecting when it comes to trading. And the second type of trade that I might that might occur in my trading is a trading in which I'm taking profits very quickly, and then securing some part of the profits, and then being stopped out, but always in a small profit as well. And what really matters for my trading, and I believe it should really matter for every trader's profitable trading strategy, is to always book profits. It is really important to make sure that once you're in a trade, you will always, or at least in the majority of cases, secure some profits. To be quite frank with you, you can't really predict markets. What you can do is manage your risk and your profits. And having said that, it is crucial to always be trying to secure some profits. So in my trading room, the traders who are actually following me there, they have seen that we have experienced three different outcomes, and I have classified them here as worst or absolute loss, which means that you will lose, your stop loss would be hit. Then the second possible outcome is medium or half profits, half stop loss, which means that as I have shown in this trade here, they're all trades taken from my trading room. Then half of the profits were secured 20 pips away from the entry point, and then the other half um, I took when my stop loss was hit, which was 1 point away from the entry point. Um, so coming back to the third possible outcome is this is the best outcome, or you're taking half of the profits at some points in time, and the other half you're letting run. And this type of trade, you can with this type of trade you can reach very high risk to reward ratios. This is the example I have taken here with gold, where I only risk $4. My stop loss was set at 1848 before I moved it to 1870 when I was already in the money. So the first profits were taken around this level, 1870, and then I let the price run. Okay, so if we move on. Okay, so if we move on, then this will bring us to the next slide, and you can see here you have a bell curve, and in this bell curve I'm pretty much showing you the majority of outcomes would be coming under or 80% of them would be medium half profits or half stop loss, which means that half of my position would have been I would have taken profits at some point in time, and the other half would have hit the stop loss. Then you have 10%, which is the worst or absolute loss, or scenario one, in which I would have hit my stop loss without securing any profits. And then you have another 10%, which is the third scenario, in which half of the profits you would have, or I would have taken at some point in time, and the other half would have materialized into a great trade. So I'm not trying to predict anything. I'm not trying to predict where price will go. I'm just trying to say if price goes to this level, I need to make sure that I'm in a trade and I have already secured some parts of the profits, so I have a peace of mind. And on the other half of the profits, I'm actually running a great trade. Okay, then again, I like to be completely honest with myself and with others, and the best way to do this is through a live trading room, of course, where you can't really hide anything. And having said that, I'm sharing with you another trade on which I was stopped out, and I strongly believe that any trader who wants to be successful in the long term, he or she, they need to be completely honest with themselves and others. And reason being is because if you're not honest with yourself and you're trying to blur your vision by saying, oh, you're the greatest trader in the world, but at the same time you're a losing trader, this type of philosophy won't lead you anywhere. You need to be completely honest with yourself. When you're losing, you need to see the reason behind behind those losses, and then just move on. But then this shouldn't translate into a huge losing streak. So in 10% of the cases, I'm being stopped out. My stop loss is being hit, and this is the reality of it. In any sort of strategy, you're gonna have losing trades, and you need to just take them as part of running this business. Again, be honest to yourself and start being profitable. So as I have said, the reason why I like to include examples of losing trades is that I want to show you that they're real and they're part of every trader's P&L, and the way you manage those losses and the amounts of your honest analysis is defining you as a bad, good, or superhuman trader. And I strongly believe that to become a superhuman trader, you need to be absolutely honest with yourself. So thank you very much for joining me in this video. I hope this was beneficial for you, and it has reached my goal to share with you, first of all, if you are interested in becoming a member, how you can do that, and second of all, if you were wondering what sort of strategy I'm employing in the trading room, it has helped you to to understand it a bit better. Even though I'm not sharing any of the rules, it wouldn't be fair to the other participants who are paying for this service. I'm just trying to review a bit more behind this trading room and be completely honest with everyone. So thank you very much. If you feel like joining me, you can do this by following the Patreon link. I will also leave some links below the video, and you can start from there. If you have any questions, you can always email me at admin@colibritrader.com. Thank you for watching so far, and have a great day, guys. Bye.